Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. So,
Okay.
how do you say, is it, hold on, I'm gonna get this. Sahiba?
Yes,
Yeah, I got it right?
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, my
Sahi.
name is Sahiba and I am from India.
Oh, from India. Beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
My name's
Where are you from?
Jessica. I'm from Australia, but I'm
Mhm.
living in London at the moment.
Oh, wow, London.
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
Wow, very nice place.
yeah, it's just
I really like London.
you like it, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Um, Australia is much safer at the moment, so I do miss Australia. Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah. So,
okay.
Sahiba, how long have you been learning English for?
In Cambly,
Altogether. Um,
6 years ago.
oh wow, okay, 6 years. Yeah,
Yes.
beautiful. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your main reason for learning English?
Uh, Not any reason.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I love English.
Okay, so
I
it's
really like English. Yeah.
like for
English is
fun,
my
really.
Yes, English is my favorite subject.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, good, good. Uh,
So that's why I learn English.
yeah. It's just like a completely different alphabet. So it
Yeah.
amazes me when people want to do it for fun, when it's like you learning how to write and read and speak.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what did you do today?
So I had a day off, so I've been on Cambly most of the day. Um,
Hmm.
yeah, so in London I work at a dental practice as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, just as a
Dental practice?
yeah, for your teeth.
Medical?
Uh, yeah, medical, but it's for your teeth. Your
Oh,
teeth, yeah.
wow.
So yeah.
Uh-huh.
But I work as a receptionist. Um,
Mm-hmm.
so it's like you work different days. So
Yeah.
I work there and I work on Cambly as well. Yeah.
Okay, so you go outside.
Yes. At the moment, we got out of a lockdown about 3 weeks ago. Um,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so it's like restaurants have like opened and everything now. So we were in a lockdown for like six months.
Mm-hmm.
So it was quite a long time. But
Yeah.
now things are kind of looking better. But
Okay.
it's not at the moment in India, is it?
Yeah, actually, tomorrow, in here, lockdown is opened.
Oh, so they're ending the lockdown. Oh, Eva, you there?